Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to send a message and chat in Roblox PlayStation, PS4, or PS5. Okay? First things first, presently, there's no in-game chat option available for communicating with friends on Roblox using PS4 or PS5. So, just download the Roblox app on your mobile device and log in using the same account as your PS4 or PS5. Access then the app's chat functionality located at the bottom right corner and use this chat feature to message and communicate with your friends on Roblox. The absence of chat features might be due to recent releases for PS4 and PS5, where these options are not yet integrated into the console version. While it's inconvenient that the console version lacks chat capabilities, the Roblox mobile app offers a workaround for chatting with friends. And, as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now send a message and chat in Roblox PlayStation, PS4, or PS5 using your mobile phone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!